While we are all different, we have one thing in common. We crave for simple solutions. Whether you are in manufacturing of consumer goods, pharma, or automotive, or you are into providing logistics, hospitality, and BFSI services, the 1st of July will not just be another day. The GST will forever change the way you do business, unifying the country with a single tax system. Udyog has helped businesses embrace change since 1993 and are again ready to help businesses migrate to GST and ensure compliance first time and each time then on. GST network systems will become one amongst the largest data warehouses of the world, housing transactions of businesses across the country. GSTN is expected to perform advanced intelligence, flawless transaction matching, and validation techniques across data from an estimated 8 million business entities to generate lucid alerts. To seamlessly cope with data from millions of business entities, the GSTN has empaneled GSTN Suvidha providers, also called GSPs, to offer application programming interface gateways that provide reliable connection and transfer data from businesses to GSTN. The GSTN has authorized 34 GSPs to provide API gateways and is expected to add more in the future. The GSPs provide given or enriched APIs for consumption by application software providers. In simple words, a GSP system does not persist or process data and is only expected to relay or transfer data from each business software system to GSTN. A GSP may further be expected to provide reliable connectivity and added failure tolerance. A business can choose from an assortment of application service providers that utilize APIs from one or more GSPs and help achieve GST compliance. ASP technology is what businesses and tax firms will be utilizing. Given that tax rules, rates, and reporting formats keep changing with time, it is vital that an enterprise understands the capacities of the software application it adopts. While it's entirely up to the business or the tax firm, it is important to consider that the software technology can 1. Be simultaneously used for regular amendment or audit processing, 2. Consume data and transform to respective GSTN required formats on time with minimal effort, and manages data validations and reconciliations with efficiency.
We understand. Replacing enterprise IT systems can be a daunting task. With enComply, transformation and compliance is easy and hassle-free. enComply offers source-friendly data converters for every ERP system there is. Be it Oracle, MS Dynamics, Infor, QAD, SAP, Tally, or Busy, these converters not only accept data from the source system in its native format, but also transform the same so as to accommodate changes in GST regulations. Whether you have data originating from several source systems or a centralized data system, or if you need to segregate data for each location, or even if you'd like to merge data from 2 or more specific systems and amend data at a specific location, enComply's Visual Data Transformation Mapper enables you to effortlessly perform these transformations in a sequence that suits you. enComply lives in the collaborative cloud. That way the purchase and sales teams can work effectively to prepare, validate, and qualify data across locations or centrally. enComply automatically applies the most recent regulations, identifies missing data, and maintains a comprehensive audit trail, making it easier for the respective teams to edit and qualify data daily, weekly, or at their own convenience. With enComply, indirect tax experts can do what they do best: ensure compliance and, more importantly, save your enterprise's money. Once data is transformed, merged across source systems, and qualified, the tax expert gets to perform computations, make corrections, e-sign, and proceed to submit data and returns. Your indirect tax data can be an information goldmine. Get advanced dashboards with advanced insights and risk analytics on demand. On top of that, users have access to built-in work queues that display alerts and notifications at different phases of the process. enComply. Ensure compliance, first time and each time.